There hasn't been much fine dust for several days. The weather is nice and cool, so it's very pleasant to go out and exercise. These days, we have the weather and the air. That's only a handful of presents a year. The fine dust forecast today said there would be no fine dust for 2 days until tomorrow. So I opened all the windows and enjoyed the fresh air all day long.